Imagine finally moving into a beautiful apartment condominium. For one couple, this dream move turned into a costly nightmare. Shortly after moving into the apartment in the neighborhood they've always loved, they decided to replace the carpet with sleek, new, hardwood floors. To save some money, they hired a friend to do the work. The finished floors looked amazing, but the honeymoon phase didn't last long. First came a noise complaint from the neighbors below. Then, a knock on the door from a condo board member. They quickly learned a hard lesson. In a condominium, many bylaws prohibit changing flooring materials without prior written approval from the board. Many bylaws require that the approved work be completed by a certified professional. They had no idea. To save money, they didn't listen to their realtor's advice, and they skipped the Condo-Check document review. Unfortunately, because bylaws are enforceable, after approval for the hardwood flooring was obtained, the beautiful new hardwood floors had to be completely ripped out and reinstalled with the specified soundproofing material. This mistake cost the owners significantly more money and an incredible amount of stress. If they had simply had the condominium corporation documents reviewed by Condo-Check, this crucial information would have been flagged immediately. A review ensures you know the rules before you start swinging a hammer. Don't let your dream renovation become a legal and financial burden. The link to our website and order form can be found in the description box below, along with other essential links. Protect your investment with Condo-Check.